Software Spring. Presents. Google Sheets function name Jumble. Hi folks. Greetings. Welcome to this video on Google Sheets function name Jumble. Here is the info on this video. 10 jumbles. 15 to 25 seconds for each jumble. Brief info on function. Identify Google Sheets function name from jumbled word. First jumbled function name. Filter. Filter filters data in a specified range, based on one or more conditions. Second jumbled function name. Concat. Concat joins two values, and is similar to the ampersand operator. Third jumbled function name. Substitute. VLOOKUP searches for search key in first column of range, and returns data in cell, at intersection of search key row, and specified column. Fourth jumbled function name. Match. Match returns position of search key, in specified range. Fifth jumbled function name. Substitute. Substitute substitutes part of text string, or entire text, with another text. Sixth jumbled function name. Search. Search returns position of first character of substring, within text. Seventh jumbled function name. Sum product. Sum product returns sum of product of corresponding numbers, in two ranges, of same size. Eighth jumbled function name. Is number. Is number returns true, if its attribute is a number, else returns false. Ninth jumbled function name. Average. Average returns average of two or more numbers, in one or more ranges. 10th jumbled function name. Count unique. Count unique returns count of unique values, in one or more ranges. For more info on each of the functions mentioned in this video, please refer to their step-by-step tutorials. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.